This is a quick demonstration of our brand new touch feature. After pairing your new screen, navigate to the device settings and switch on the feature using the touch toggle. The screen preview will show the feature as well as being activated on the device once the screen has been refreshed. The splash screen will display the ScreenCloud logo, the channel name, and a play button. Note that the touch feature will only work if the screen content is set to a channel with a single main zone. You can apply your own company branding by switching the channel theme on, and it will show the logo, title, font, and the primary color from the theme. Now let's go to your touch-enabled device. Start by tapping the play button. The menu bar at the bottom will appear. Tap the three lines menu icon, and the menu will appear listing all the playlists from the channel. You can select the playlist name, and it will show the playlist content in a grid view. By selecting any content, the menu will drop down and show the player. You can cycle backward and forward through the playlist content by using the arrow buttons. Some apps, for example Power BI, support interactions. To get back to the list of playlists, you can just tap the menu icon, then the back arrow. By tapping play all, it will default back to playing the channel content. To learn more, visit screencloud.com/touch or reach out to us at support@screencloud.com.